This compact 60% keyboard weighs 2.5 kilograms, which is a little over 5 pounds. It's called the QK60Cu, and that Cu stands for copper on the periodic table, because this board's entire base is made of it. Now, copper isn't just cool looking, but it actually has properties that makes the board sound extra good. There's also a 75% version in the copper lineup, which I've been using for a while, and it sounds way too good. And a 65% version that launched alongside the 60%. I built mine with lubed and filmed cherry Nixies, a budget blue keycap set, an aluminum plate with no case or plate foam, and this is what it sounds like.